Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 ingredient sugar cookies. So let's get started. I'm using 1/2 a cup of sugar, 1/2 a cup of oil. Mix those up. And mix that up. Like that, and when you can pinch it and it doesn't look dry, then it's fine. Shape it into a ball, wrap it up, and chill for at least 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Okay, my dough has been chilled, and now I'll just show you a few basic shapes. So take a small amount of dough, shape it into a ball, flatten it down in your hand. Like that, and then you can just take a knife like that, and then you can either put some jam in the center. I'm just going to put a little chocolate chip. To make a heart shape, again, start with the ball, flatten it down, and shape it into a heart like that. And I'm going to use my potato masher and make some little grid lines. And for the third one, roll it into a ball, shape it into a circle, and I'm just going to add a little bit of chocolate like that. And those are just chocolate chips that I chopped apart with my knife. And for the last one, start with a ball. Shape it into a rectangle. And I'm going to put some raspberry jam. Like that. Sprinkle with some pink sugar. Like that. Okay, I have my cookies all ready, and I'm going to bake at 375 degrees for about 10 minutes. And when they look a little bit brown around the edges, they are done. And there you go. 1 sugar cookie made with 3 ingredients.